Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering ingredients and prepping for efficiency. Use 2 ripe avocados, 1/2 cup diced tomato, 1/4 cup finely diced onion, 2 tablespoon chopped cilantro, 1 tablespoon lime juice, 1/4 tsp salt, and 1/8 tsp black pepper. Have avocados, remove pits, scoop flesh into a bowl, and set 1 pit or 1 tsp extra lime juice aside to slow oxidation while you work. Dice tomato and onions small so they fold into the dip evenly, and measure seasonings before you begin mixing for consistent results. Choose texture. Mash avocados with a fork for a chunky dip or pulse in a food processor for smoothness, 3-5 seconds at a time to prevent overprocessing. Add 1 tablespoon lime juice and 1/4 tsp salt initially, then taste and adjust in 1/4 tsp or 1 tsp increments. Balance acidity, salt, and heat rather than adding large amounts at once. If the dip is too thick, add 1/2 tsp water or olive oil to loosen it. Stir in tomato and onion last to maintain structure. Serve the avocado dip immediately with tortilla chips, carrot sticks, or cucumber rounds. This recipe yields about 1:1. 5 cups depending on avocado size. For short-term storage, refrigerate in an airtight container with plastic wrap pressed directly on the surface to minimize air contact, and consume within 1-2 days for best texture and color. Do not freeze the finished dip, because freezing damages the creamy texture. To refresh flavor after refrigeration, stir, and add a splash of lime juice or 1 tsp water if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.